Hi, my name is Kami Ilmane from London, UK. Welcome to this bonus page for wpblazer3. Now, if you have more than one WordPress site, then you're familiar with the frustration of logging into each and every site to perform tasks such as WordPress updates, backups, activating, deactivating, delete, or updating your plugins and themes, and of course updating your content. We have to do these tasks on a regular basis to keep our sites fresh, attractive and secure. And if you have several sites, then these tasks can be daunting and time consuming. And this is where wpblazer this is where it can help you. It will simplify all these tasks and save you time. It will let you perform all these tasks from one easy to use central admin dashboard. Now, I don't do many promotions. I normally sell my own products, but I've decided to promote this product because I think it will help many site owners out there by helping them save time and money. Similar services that charge monthly fees if you want to use all their premium tools. And if they have the free option, then they'll only let you use their basic tools and services with limited support. Where you get lifetime access to premium tools for one single fee. But what really pushed me to promote this product is the professionalism of the guys behind this platform. I was lucky enough to be selected as one of their beta testers, and I loved working with these guys. They listen to you and they go the extra mile to keep you happy by making constant improvements based on your recommendation. And the support is almost instant. I tap a question on Skype and boom, the answer is there within 5 minutes. I don't think these guys ever sleep. I've been using it now for about 2 months, and every time I log into the platform I see new improvements. They just don't stop there. They're so proud with their product, and they want it to be the best in the market. Okay, now the reason I'm here is not to talk about wpblazer. You can find all the information you need and a full demo video on the sales page. I'm here to talk about the bonuses that you will get if you purchase through this page. Now, if you're on this page, then I'm assuming that you have one or more WordPress sites, and I've selected these bonuses because they will help you enhance the look and the functionality of your pages, but more importantly, help you retain your visitors and improve your conversions. So let's look together at some of these bonuses where I demonstrate the functionality of some of them and how you can use them in your business. And if you're watching this on YouTube, click the link below in the description, which will take you then to this bonus page. Let's have a look. The following bonus is a special bonus for purchasing the promoted product here on this page. You get 3 months free access to a premium cloud-based fully drag and drop page builder. The system is built by a very successful marketer, Brett Ritecki, who is also a developer. So he built this for himself, and he built it with marketers in mind. I have agency access to the product, but I use it myself to build all my pages. Let me show you a quick demo of the platform. When you first log in, you can see all the pages that you've been working with. So if we go and create a new page, give it a name, 2016. Go back to your page, edit. Now the first thing you might want to do is to do your SEO settings, your page title, your description, your keywords, your background, and the size of the page. You can have it small, normal, large, extra large. Let's go for this one for us. Your border style. Here you can choose to have a redirect URL, so when they go and close the page, do you want them to redirect them somewhere else? If you do, you say yes, and you ask them, you put your question here, whatever you want to put there. For example, are you sure you want to leave? And then this is going to be your redirect URL. The background, if you don't like a solid background, then you can just upload your own, and that's the SEO done. You got a bunch of templates here you can choose from. Your sales pages, your squeeze pages, it's many of them. It goes on and on and on. I just very quickly open one of them. Let's just select any of them really. Let's get this one. On the page, on the template, you can just change about any element. You can delete them, add, and if you want, you can just drag, and then you can add more elements to it. So if you don't like something, you can just delete it, or you can just edit it. So for example, I just copy text, test rather, and then change the color of it if I want. So let's make this purple color there. The same thing with the video. You can just get your video video code for your video you want to put in there. You put the code in there, update video, and then it'll be there. You can, so if you don't like this button, delete it, or just upload a new one. You get a bunch of graphics here you can select from. Let's quickly see if we can find one. Where are you? For example, let's do purchase now instead. Update clip art. There is a new button there for us. Same thing with your image here. If you don't like it, you can just choose file and update your upload your own image, or just delete it if you like. Same with the text, delete it. You can edit your text. By the way, when you can use any HTML tags around specific text, such as bold, center, and so on. Obviously, for the text, you can change the font here. You got various font and the size, and obviously the color of the text there. Let's say we working with a blank one now. So instead of working with a template, I prefer, personally, I use blank one. I just start from scratch. But if you can find, go through the templates. If you found one that you think it's suitable for what you're doing, then that's all good. So from a blank page, just go through this very quickly. Your button, you can select the font. Right now, your link URL, if you want to link it. The font color, let's keep it whitish. Let's do on a black background. Just keep things very simple and easy and quick. There's our button there. Obviously, you can drag it, you put it wherever you like. Colored box. Just any color really. Opacity from 0.1 to 1. I'll just keep it as 1, full on. I use this as page separator. Sometimes I use them as background, so I can put various text on them. Let's actually, while we're doing that, let's do quickly a text. Font size, you can just Change your font size, color code, let's go with white, keep it simple. Let's make it a bit bigger, 36. Your picture, let's have the picture there. Just upload anything from your computer and just upload it there. You can put a link, open in the same window or another window, a different window, upload. Boom, here goes our picture there. You can obviously resize it, you can move it about. YouTube video, say I want YouTube video here, just get code. This is just the stuff, just the code after the equal sign there. Just put our code, insert, here goes our video. Okay, what else? Countdown timers. Very quickly, let's do black font 36. Countdown 8th of March. I don't know what color did I choose there. Okay, and the format you can choose to have the days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Obviously will look better if you put a different background behind it. What else do we have? Do we have a PayPal button? Say let's add the PayPal button there. Actually I don't have any details, so you just put product name, email, the cost of the product, the URL, and your currency. And you also got HTML there. You can just put about any HTML code in there to appear on the page. As you see, it's really flexible. Once we anytime obviously you can go and preview your page, and this is what our page looks like at the moment. Oh, I didn't save, sorry. So you save first, then you go and preview the page. So that's just the page we'll work on at the moment. So really simple, very flexible. You can just about be able to do anything with it really. Now once you've done it, so save, don't forget to save, exit the editor, and then you can go to our page. Now is our page there. You can download it as a zip file, or you can embed it on your website. Obviously you can copy and use it as a template, or you can just delete it. One thing that I really like about the system is you can instantly publish it to Facebook. No fun page needed. Let me show you. So here it says add your page to Facebook. So I can name it, for example, TWT page. As you see, as soon as I put there, then it's add the page. Let's take this URL and let's put it on the browser, see what you see. And boom, your page is on Facebook. And this is great. Well, personally, I think this is great. Why? In my case, if you're doing any Facebook ads, then this can be really useful, because Facebook don't like their visitors to leave their sites. But if your ads sends traffic to a Facebook page, then Facebook will reward you with cheaper CPC, cost per click. and I think this is really great, especially if you're doing Facebook ad. Just one last thing, this offer will be limited in terms of time and numbers. So if you no longer see the bonus on this page, then it means that this bonus is no longer available. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Our next bonus on this page is WP Login Pro. If you're building websites for client, or if you have membership site and you want to look professional, or just you want to use it for your own WordPress site, and you know, when you want to impress maybe your friends, then this plugin is for you. It's super simple WordPress plugin that enables anyone to change their generic WordPress login page to look like it's built on an expensive professional CMS solution. Let's take a quick look at the plugin in action. It's a plugin here, WP Login Pro. Only got a couple of fields to fill in. So you put in your logo image. Let's quickly load a logo here. Full size, that's fine. URL, insert into the post, custom copyright, let's call it Kami at 17. Enable shaker effect. This, if they get the password wrong, do you want to shake it left and right? Remove plugin data. Basically, if you remove the plugin, do you want to delete the data as well or not? And then just choose the skin. So let's go for this one. Save changes. And let's go to a different browser window. Let's get the login screen. Look at this, beautiful. Okay, the logo is a bit big there. Probably I should have put a small one. Let's pick up different size. Let's pick up this medium size URL. Come on, save changes, refresh. That's a little bit better there. You see your logo there, your copyright bits and username and password. Quickly, just let's try a different one. Should we try this one? Save changes and refresh. Beautiful, excellent. I love this plugin. That's it really. It's really very simple, so anyone really can use it and change, as you just seen, your login page in a second. Thanks for watching. One of the bonuses you'll get on this page after purchasing the product is the delayed widgets, which is a WordPress plugin which allows you to add a delay to your widgets before they appear. It comes with all the instructions, but it's dead simple to use, to install and to use. Basically, all what happens after you activate the plugin, you'll get under each of your widgets a box that looks like this, where you can input delay in seconds. Let's jump to one of my websites. So this is your widget here, delayed widgets. At the moment it's inactive. Just show you some of the widgets I have on this site. I got like a quote of the day there. I got a small banner there flashing away offering a free book, an opt-in form here. So basically these widgets, they just load when the site loads. So if we go to the widgets, for example, the quote of the day, it just looks like any normal widgets. You know, you got the code there and the option to delete or close and the option to save. If I activate the plugin now, so let's activate it, delete widgets. Now, if we refresh this page, we should see a small box now under each widget where I have the option to add delay in seconds. Let's, for example, I want to make this quote of the day appear after 5 seconds. So all I need to do, so type in 5, you save it, go to the site, refresh it, so this quote of the day will disappear, and after 5 seconds the visitor will be able to see this just sliding nicely on the right hand side. Similarly with, for example, I want to make this appear, this little banner after, say, 5 seconds, or after, say, 10 seconds. Let's find the banner. Let's make it appear after, say, 10 seconds. Save. Refresh the page. Okay, after 5 seconds, we'll see the quote of the day. Another 5 seconds, we'll see our banner there. Let's just switch those off. Let's say I want to show this opt-in form after 5 seconds, which is the optimal time for showing opt-in forms apparently. Let's get rid of this, so this will, let's skip this one. It comes after 5 seconds, and I think this is the small banner. Let's disable this so it doesn't come up. I mean, it's not delayed. Let's put a delay on this opt-in form. Let's put 7 seconds. There's already 7 seconds there. Cool. Go to a website, refresh. So after 5 seconds, we'll see our quote of the day there. Then after 7 seconds, we'll see a nice opt-in form appearing there. You have to admit this is a lot better than having like a GIF graphic like this flashing in the background, or a pop-up, which, I mean, the users now, the visitors, are so used to these and so ad blindness, they just ignore. We trained now to ignore these things, and when the pop-up comes up, we just tend to close it and so on. So hopefully this will help you to keep your visitors on your site, and hopefully clicking on your offers and so on. The publisher of this plugin actually on the instructions is added some examples there how you can use it. For example, in this one it says use a text widget with HTML inside to display your subscriber sign up box to open 7 seconds after the page has completed drawing. This is an optimal time to display the sign up box or any ad, as it's been shown that 7 seconds is the average time that people will spend on a website. Don't know, but if it's been tested, I suppose it's true. And it goes and give you more examples here. It says if you got, say, a countdown offer, you can do some groovier stuff like hide a regular ad for 32 seconds and stack above it a countdown offer that disappears after 30 seconds. The displayed effect would be a countdown offer for 30 seconds, which then slides away if not clicked and replaced with your regular ad. Well, I mean, basically just use your imagination. There's so many ways. I'm sure you have in your mind a way how to use this effectively, and you can obviously use it in conjunction with other products. You have to combat this ad blindness and to keep your visitors in and keep them clicking on their offer. Okay, so so this is the delayed widget. So if you buy the product that is on this page, you'll get this for free. Thank you. Our next bonus here on this page is Catchy Headline Generator. It's an Adobe Air application that you can install on both Mac and Windows. It comes with recorded video instructions showing you how to install and use the program. Simple, really. A couple of videos there, one on how to install the software and the other one how to use it. Just play them for you very quickly. Sorry, just going through the video very quickly. The next one is on how to use the software. Simple, really. It's very, very straightforward. Basically, you can use this tool to create hundreds of catchy headlines for your sales letters, opt-in pages, email campaigns, press releases, or articles. All you need to just put in your keywords, you hit the generate button, and you're done. You'll be presented with a list of headlines relating to the keywords that you've specified. Let's have a little look at the software in action. Just launch it quickly here, and this is it. Basically, very simple software to use. You get 4 text boxes there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just answer those questions and hit generate, and you're done. And it will help you with every question. It will help you, gives you examples. So what you're looking for, what you want to put in those boxes. On the first questions, basically it asks you what is the product of the service you're targeting for. Examples here: are you targeting for webmasters, for dental surgeons, school teachers? In our example here, we have internet marketers. Then what is the product or the category? It gives you examples here: SEO software, is it online coaching, tennis bag, diamond ring. In our example, we have website promotion tips. And the third question, the result you're trying to achieve in a noun form, i.e. weight loss, website promotion, hair removal. In our example, we have website promotion. And then the last one, same thing again, the result you're trying to achieve in a verb form. For example, getting targeted traffic, losing weight, cure acne. In our example here, we have promoting a website. Hit generate, and boom, you're presented there with 173 headlines. You can go through all of them to find the ones that are suitable for your campaign. The best way to use this is click on select, copy, and paste it into a notepad. And then take your time going through your all the headlines that are generated here, and select the ones that are suitable for your campaign. Let's look at some examples here. 9 deadly website promotions sins. Who else is lying to us about website promotion? The truth about website promotion. 5 simple facts about website promotion explained. They're not too bad. I mean, you need to go through them really. Remember, this is a brainstorming tool. You may need to make any necessary adjustment to make a specific fit for your project. So basically, you need to go through the list and select the most suitable subject lines, and then make changes as required. And remember, you can at any time try different keywords to generate a different list. So you just close this window, and you'll just start again if you're not happy with the first list, and so on, and go through them and select what are the ones you'd like to use. Hopefully this software combined with your other tools will improve your website conversion and boost your sales. Thank you. Our next bonus is the professional quality sound and music tracks, which are produced with marketers in mind. Now, you did the hard bit of getting visitors to your site, or you may have used some technologies such as Reengager to bring them back to your site. So next, you may offer them discount coupons, a special package offer, or a free gift in exchange for their email, etc. But before that, would it be better to present them with a video explaining the offer? Now, we know a great video comes with good audio intros and relevant background music if appropriate. Music can be an integral part of a good engaging video, and this is where this bonus comes in. Basically, what you get in this package, you get your 1-minute tracks. Let me just make it a bit bigger so you can see. Sorry about that. And your 1.5-minute tracks, and your 30-second tracks. Your full-length tracks, you get about 10 there. And finally your drops and stings. I don't think you'll be able to hear this. Yeah, I don't think this software records the system sound. I tried to do it with another software. I managed to do it, but the sound quality wasn't, the recording wasn't very good. So I'm using this, but unfortunately with this one, you won't be able to hear the system sound. But anyway, I hope this package will be useful, and I hope it'll be a good addition to your purchase today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. The next bonus on this page is the animated arrows. Some experts recommend using animation and sound effects sparingly because they can be intrusive and distracting. I'm usually against intrusive and annoying animation, but I have to admit that movement is a valid attention grabber. And if used the right way, in the right place, at the right time, then it can be very effective. Now, you've done the hard work of getting visitors to your site. Now, you may need to grab their attention to something very specific, such as the next important step after completing a certain task. These animated arrows we have here may help you to achieve this and may have many other uses. Your imagination is the limit. Let's have a little look at some of them so you get an idea of what you're getting. Open the first folder here. So for this design, you get the PSD file and you get your 5 different GIFs on with different colors. So play a black one here, just an arrow pointing to the right. And let's get a different color, an orange one. This is 3 chevrons pointing to the right. Arrow pointing down and to the right, and 5 different colors. You have in this design, you have this. I like this one. Yeah, so basically you get 10 different designs. Each design category, it comes with a PSD file and the 5 different color arrows in GIF format, giving you a total of 50 animated arrows. Now, just a word of caution, just remember, don't overdo it. Use them sparingly, but they can be effective. Just don't overdo it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The next bonus on this page is the professional motion backgrounds, all loyalty free. Now you have a returning visitor to your site who would be presented with an offer, a video, an opt-in form, or just a page informing them about what they will get as a returning visitor. Now, how about if we add a beautiful motion background video to those pages, or to those green screen videos, or to those squeeze pages? It would really make their experience a lot much better. Let's just have a quick look at some of them here. Just quickly play a couple for you. Let's play another one. Beautiful. Very cool indeed. Fourth one. As you see, they're really high quality video recordings, and I hope they'll be useful and you would be able to use them in your projects for your various campaigns. Thanks for watching. I hope that you've liked the bonuses, which I think can make your pages more attractive, which translates into more visitors taking action on your page, which in turn translates into more conversions and more profit. Now, do you need wpblazer 3? Well, to be honest, if you only have one WordPress site, then the answer is no, unless if you want to use the platform as some kind of storage for your themes and plugins and keep them all in one place. But if you have multiple WordPress sites, then the answer is definitely yes, because it will save you time, which then you can use to concentrate on making your business more profitable. That's me done. Head over to the sales page where you can find more information about the product and a full demo of the software. Make sure you use the link on this page so that you can lock in these bonuses, which will be available on JVisor together with your purchase today. If you need assistance with anything, just use the contact button here on this page. I will get back to you as soon as I can. One more thing, if you're watching this video on YouTube, just use the link in the description to get to this bonus page where you can make the purchase, unlocking the bonuses. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening, and thanks for watching. God bless your success and all the best. Bye.